Hi, my name is Yuvek Thotharam, and this is my submission for CLDV6211Part3. The application I've built is called EventAS, a cloud-ready ASP, NetCore MVC web application that allows users to manage venues, events, event types, and bookings. The application is built using .NET 10 Entity Framework Core with a SQL Server database and follows the MVC architectural pattern. Let me walk you through the key features. When the application loads, you're greeted with the Event Ease dashboard. It displays 3 summary cards showing the total number of venues, events, and bookings currently in the system. This gives a quick at-a-glance overview of the data. The Venues section allows users to manage all event venues. The index page displays venues in a card grid layout, each showing the venue name, address, state, capacity, and an image. There is a live search filter at the top. Users can search by venue name or address. The results are filtered server-side using LINQ queries in the controller. To add a new venue, we fill in the name, address, state, capacity, and description. There is also an optional image upload. If no image is uploaded, a placeholder is shown. Images are stored as base 64 strings in the database. Once saved, the venue appears on the index page. We can view its details, edit it, or delete it. If a venue has active bookings linked to it, the system prevents deletion and displays an error message, protecting referential integrity in the database. The Event Types module is a lookup table used to categorize events. Users can create, edit, and delete event types such as conference, wedding, or concert. Like venues, it supports search filtering by name or description. Deleting an event type that is still assigned to events is also blocked. The system shows an error rather than crashing with a foreign key exception. The Events section manages individual events. Each event has a name, type, start date, end date, and status, for example, upcoming, completed, or canceled. Events can be filtered by name, type, and status using the search form. Results are ordered and displayed in a clean card layout. Creating an event is straightforward. We select a type, set the dates, and assign a status. All required fields are validated. The form won't submit if they're missing. The Bookings module is where venues and events are linked together. A booking records which event is taking place at which venue, on what date, and what services are provided. Bookings have the most advanced filtering. Users can search by event name, venue name, or services provided, and also filter by date range and specific event or venue using drop-downs. When creating a booking, the system automatically checks for duplicate bookings. If the selected venue is already booked on that date, the form rejects the submission with a clear error message. This prevents double booking. A successful booking is saved and immediately reflected in the bookings list. Each booking card shows the event, venue, date, and services. Show, delete, and edit. Bookings can also be edited or deleted at any time without restriction, since they don't have dependent child records. Throughout the application, I've implemented several layers of data integrity. Model validation using data annotations, required fields, string lengths, and date types are all enforced. Duplicate booking prevention. The Bookings controller checks for an existing booking at the same venue and date before saving. Referential integrity checks. Venues cannot be deleted if they have bookings. Event types cannot be deleted if events are assigned to them. anti-forgery tokens on all post forms to protect against CSRF attacks. Temp data alerts, success, and error messages are displayed after every create, edit, or delete operation. On the technical side, the application uses ASP, .NET Core MVC on .NET 10. Data is persisted using Entity Framework Core with a SQL Server database using code-first migrations. The front end uses Bootstrap 5 with Bootstrap icons for a clean, responsive UI. The project is structured with models, controllers, views, and a services layer, including a blob storage service for optional Azure Blob Storage integration. All controllers follow async/await patterns for non-blocking database operations. That concludes the demonstration of Event-Ease. The application covers full CRUD functionality across 4 entities, advanced filtering, business rule enforcement, and a consistent responsive UI. Thank you for watching.